And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you an easy clone effect. It's another effect that's often used in music videos. We've got this simple clip, and if I hold Alt and drag a copy on top, I've got it duplicated. I've got the one on video channel 2 selected, and I go to the position under effect controls for it. And now you just have to pick a blending mode that fits. You can try them all out. Some will work, some, as you can see here, don't work that well. But lighten and the soft light, hard light, vivid light modes, you should try them out. Definitely, most of the time, they give you the best results. I'll stick to soft light in this case. And I drag another copy on top and I put it to the right hand side. So video channel 3 is this one on the left, and video channel 2 is the one on the right, and video channel 1 is the original in the middle. And this is, let's say, the basic effect. In most music videos it is used kind of like a pop-up effect that's there when a beat drops or something. And you can achieve that by simply using the cut tool, so press C for that, and then use the arrow keys to the right to go frames forward. Create some cuts, and afterwards just use this cursor selection tool and create gaps on video channel 2 and video channel 3, so where we've got the copies. And if you now roll it, you've got this simple pop-up effect. Obviously it's a good idea to synchronize it to the beat. And from time to time it makes sense to drag it out a little bit more, so let me press Ctrl Z and I add a little bit more at the end, like this. Another tip that I want to give you is, you can see that right here, the background fits quite well, but we also have a little bit of an overlap with the middle. So let me just select video channel 2 and I make video channel 3 invisible. And by the way, here are the effect controls if you can't see it. And under opacity I'm going to use the pen tool to create a mask. And now I'll just go over what I want to have, and the rest will be excluded. Just close your mask, and then you can drag these anchor points and reposition them, so you can get rid of parts of this duplicate by using the mask. And you can invest a lot of time to have all of the details covered, but in many cases it's totally fine to just create it quickly like this, and you've got a good looking effect for a music video. And this is how you can create this simple cloning effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.